Okay, so right back at you guys. It's just me, myself, and I. No Super K, no bad comics, no machine, no cat lady, whatever. So it's just me and you. I'm making this video just to test this channel out again because I haven't used this channel in a while. But yeah, so I bought a cheap phone. Right now, I'm recording you on a smartphone, one of those flagship phones, iPhone 12 Pro Max. But I got a cheap a Blu G91 that came out a few months ago. I thought I'd get it in case someone going in the bad areas and vlog and somebody steals it. I wouldn't care, you understand? Instead of my iPhone 12 or my Samsung Ultra 21 S21. All right, so this is the features of this phone right here. Okay, you could pause that and take a look at it if you want. Yep. All right, so it has some good features. Let me just unbox it. I haven't unboxed anything on this channel in years or months, whatever. But I want to make this channel go again. You understand? I want to step it up again. I want to step it up and get down to where it was before. You understand? I'm tired of eating. You know, I make eating videos all the time. You can check out my eating channel. If you don't know it already, it's Food Dip. Or you could also check out Food Line, my other channel. All right, let me take the smell test first. Nope, I'm not gonna eat it, but yeah, it smells like a box. You know, what are you gonna do? All right, so designed by Blu in Miami. Okay, and you could see the website right there, designed by Blu in Miami. Okay, well, I've been to Miami one time, a long time ago, Miami Beach, precisely. All right, so this is the phone right here, and yeah, so yeah, it's your average smartphone with a notch at the side, punch hole right there. I had the G90 as well. I still have it actually. I don't use it, but this is a more updated version. I thought I'd buy it and show you guys. Sometimes I actually use it when my battery wears out on the other phone or my tab or whatever. Yeah, I spend a lot of time online, you know. So yeah, let's see what's in the box. I'm gonna show you what's on the phone, but let me show you what's inside this box here. This purple box. All right, just take this out. Okay, take that out. Comes with, oh yeah, okay. Comes with your average earphone. Has an earphone jack. Okay, you don't have to buy an adapter, which is cool. I just bought an adapter for my S21 Ultra, and I had one for my iPhone. Okay, this is a USB-C cord right here. All right, put that to the side. SIM card ejector right here. Eject it out. All right, some gel, not for your hair, but for I don't know what. I suggest you don't smoke it. Here is a B for Bob right here, and some installation SIM card guide, plug right here for your USB. Excuse me there. Manual for this phone. All right, that's about it. Wait. We have some other stuff. You know, Blu likes to give you some added extra features in their phone. A cheap case. Let's see how cheap this one is. The G90 came in a much better case. This is like a smoked out case for the phone, and a screen protector right here. You can probably see it. I'm not gonna take it out, but it's right there. Okay, with a cord, with a cloth. All right, so I'm gonna hold this to the side. I might actually need it because, you know, I might have butterfingers. So let me put this back. Put all of this stuff back inside. You know, when you have a, well, I'm not gonna say anything. All right, so let me just put this here. Cover it up good. All right, and like I say, always get down to business, right? All right, so let's unwrap this G91 from Blu Products. Let's see, take that hit the side. I'm just gonna take it out. Ooh, you heard that? Oh, so satisfying. Let me do that again. Oh man, hear that sound? That's what you call a, yeah. Just take it out. Okay, just take it out. All right, here it is. More close up of the phone, you get a fingerprint reader and that camera. Okay, a couple of lenses there. And that's about it. Let's see, that's that infamous, okay, there it goes, that headphone jack, USB-C and speaker, microphone. Here you have your volume rocker, power button. On the other side you have SIM card. Top has nothing. But yeah, let me turn on this phone to see if there's any juice to it. See if there's any juice to it, all right? Okay, turn it on by holding down the okay, yeah, once again, right here. I don't want to mess up the damn screen because I got to put in the damn screen protector. So I showed it to you without taking off the front, but you can see it through it anyway, okay? I don't want to go wiping through the damn thing to put on a screen protector. Because yeah, the G90 fell down and it cracked. Even with the screen protector and cover smart case on the case on. There it goes. See, it turned on right there. Okay, so this has 128 gigs, 4 gigs of RAM, 6.5 inch HD Infinity dot display, 5,000 amp battery. Look at that! Wow. Okay, click start. All right, mobile network. Yeah, I can see all through all this stuff, you know. I'm gonna see my. I'm gonna skip this for now. About your device, okay, yada yada yada, right there, okay, yeah. Let me see if I can get down to this. Mobile network, okay. Actually, let me skip it. Skip this, all right. All right, so let me see. I agree to our terms of service. You know what? I might as well have to. I might just have to take off this damn screen protector here in front. I didn't even screen protector. This annoying plastic that's in front. It's not annoying. It's good to have it actually. Okay, there he goes. I gotta agree to these terms. Can I check one of them? Let me see. Agree. Gotta agree to all of these terms. Let me see. Let me see if I uncheck all of them. If I could still go ahead and want to miss. Yes. Okay. 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 So I have to agree so I could carry on. So might as well agree to something. Let me see. Agree to our privacy, device usage terms, marketing term. Oh, okay. I have to agree to everything. All right. So let's go set it up. Put on my password. To the home Wi-Fi. All right. Okay. Connect. See what's working. Oh, hear those birds. Those birds putting me to sleep. All right. So authentication problem. What the hell? Let me see. Can't be. That's the right password. Let me show password. Yeah, it's right. Oh, obtaining IP address. Okay, let's see if it works now. Okay, getting your phone ready. There we go. All right. So yeah, So I bought this phone as a cheap camera, basically. So when I go in the hood, and somebody tries to run up to me and steal my phone, they'll take this cheapo phone with them, and they could cry when they get home that they, you know, I mean, it's still worth something. It's worth about $150, but still plus tax. You know, I should have got an even cheaper one, like the G50 Mega. That's even more cheap, actually, like $79. But yeah, you know, there's a lot of people out there that are, especially here in New York City, who are very desperate. I don't know what's going on. Not me. I'm not desperate. Okay. And let me see. I'm not gonna copy anything. I'm just gonna just a sec. You know. Yeah, it's checking my info. I didn't give them any kind of info yet, so I don't know what it's checking. Yeah, so this is a quick look at the G91 that came out a few months ago. I know I'm late to the party of this phone, but I'm gonna upload a video of the quality. It records in 1080p. Both cameras, 30 frames per second. I'm gonna skip silent right here. I'm gonna skip this, skip that. Just take me to the home page. All right. Use location. Let me see here. Okay, more. Nope, I'm not gonna send them any usage or diagnosis data. That's it. Accept. Okay. I gotta create a pin. Actually, I'm gonna skip this part. Okay, I'm not gonna do that right now. All right, I'm just gonna go back, skip this part. Yeah, skip. That's what I said. Skip. All right, that's it. Additional apps. I don't want any of these damn additional apps. Okay. All right, getting your phone ready. It's about time. Okay, so yeah. Let's see. Keep me up to date. No, that's okay. None. Okay. So none. Just go through this. Come on, man. Come on. People are waiting. I want to do this right now. I'm going to do this right now. That's it. There we go. All right. We're back in business now. Look at this. Check this out. See? The phone is back, is done. Okay, it's not personalized yet, but it's okay for the time being. Okay. Got that 6.5 inch screen. Yeah, it looks cool. Got your app drawer right there. Let's check out that camera that I was feeling about. Go back home. See what kind of display it has. Okay, video. Let me confirm it has 1080p at least. 30 frames per second. Otherwise, I might have to video quality. Yep, 1080p right there. 1080p, as you can see right there. 1080p. Let me see, get it closer to you. 1080p. All right. Oh, you can see my other phone recorded this nonsense right here. Okay, that's about it. Yeah, let me see if I can take a snapshot of my face. Okay, front camera. Turn this around. See right here? Look at my face. Oh, there he goes. Yeah. All right. Double trouble now. Double. All right, so right back to you guys. I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.